Hello everybody, I hope you're doing great. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. So I'm going to start a video series, we're just going to be called updates. Like every month or every few weeks I'm going to be talking about what's going on with this channel and upcoming videos and video voting. So what video voting is I'm going to give you guys like 2 or 3 choices of some ideas for videos. You guys are going to comment down below which idea you like the most. I'll make a video on the idea. So yeah, I'm also going to be doing a PC build with the the Ryzen 7 1700 and the AB350 Pro 4 motherboard. So yeah, you can expect a PC build coming up in the next month or 2. Hope you like it. So I told you guys about the video voting. So let's start voting with this video. So either I'm going to make a video about this PC or this PC. Whichever one you guys want me to do the most, comment down below. The first PC is number 1, second PC is number 2. Whichever video you guys want me to do the most, I'll do a video on. Also, if you have any like product requests or you want me to review or any software tutorials, comment down below. I'll take a look at them. And if I can do them, I'll do them. So see you next time.